Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I'll be a slave, I'll be buried in my grave and go home to my Lord and be free. Oh, freedom.
My name is Dickerson, and I want to tell you about how I feel about Nottoway Plantation. They call it a resort, a living museum. But let's tell the truth. Nottoway Plantation wasn't a place for romance. It was a monument to human suffering. Built in 1859 by John Hampden Randolph, it stood tall not because of its architectural genius, but because over 150 enslaved African men, women, and children were forced to build it by hand, under chains, under whips. They praised its original furnishings, but never mentioned that those furnishings were made and paid for in black blood. That ballroom echoed with the silence of children separated from their mothers. That the gardens were fertilized by broken backs of people who were never meant to survive, only to serve. They mourn its loss in fire. We mourn the centuries of bondage that never received justice. Let me be clear, there is no beauty in whitewashed slavery, no heritage in human ownership, and no honor in romanticizing pain. So today, I don't offer soft music or empty prayers for burned down lies. I offer remembrance, I offer truth, and I honor the ancestors whose cries still echo louder than any piano. Because if a building burns and the lie burns with it, maybe that's justice knocking at the door. Thank you, Dickerson.